Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to turn on email notifications for posts that are emailed to you on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the PC app. This new update has changed where some settings are located, so if you've been struggling to find the right option, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, open the X app on your PC. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a series of icons. Click on Notifications. This section shows your latest mentions, alerts, and activity. But we're going to head deeper into the settings. At the top right within Notifications, you'll spot a gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click it. That will bring up a list of options to fine-tune what you want to be notified about. Next, enter the section labeled Preferences. Inside Preferences, select Push Notifications. This is where X controls how and when you're notified, whether that's through the app, via email, or both. Scroll down a bit until you see the category called Related to You and Your Posts. This section controls all the alerts tied directly to your content, things like replies, likes, or reposts. Now, look for the option that says Posts Emailed to You. You'll notice a checkbox or toggle switch beside it. Make sure this option is turned on. Once it's enabled, X will send you email notifications whenever a post that's relevant to you or sent to your inbox triggers an update, and that's it. You've successfully turned on email notifications for posts emailed to you on the X app for PC. Taking a few moments to adjust these settings ensures you never miss an important post or update again. Whether you use X for business, news, or just daily conversation, customizing your notification preferences helps you stay connected in the way that works best for you. If you found this guide helpful, take a second to check your notification settings now and enjoy a smoother, more connected X experience.